Okay guys, I think this is the hardest one we're doing today, and I don't know that I would have been able to come up with a way to prove this if they had not given me the steps. But once they've given me the steps, I can say, oh, I see how I got that step, okay? So how am I getting line 3, excuse the poor handwriting, x and y, therefore z, y and x, therefore z. What do those things do? They just commute, right? So we're getting it through 2 commutation. Now how can I get, this is the hardest part, how can I get if y, then if x, then z? Okay? This is one of the harder rules, I think, and this is the one that I told y'all that sometimes we just mind, okay? And I don't always I have figured it out before, and I have done it 3 or 4 times in my life, why exportation works, but it does, and I can't hold on to it at all times, and that's okay, okay? I've also learned a lot about why when you add flour and fat together, they make a roux and then they thicken the sauce. But I can't tell you right now, and that's okay, but I can still make a roux and I can still make a bechamel, and it still thickens. It doesn't matter if I understand why I'm doing it at the moment. I can just mind. So I'm gonna use exportation just like I make a roux, even though I don't understand why. And so number 4 comes from number 3 via exportation. So 3 exportation, okay? Now, don't get caught up in all these things. The next one is actually a really simple step, okay? And what I would do is go and find my W. What is the antecedent of my W's conditional? If x, then z. Oh, guess what that looks a lot like? Actually, just like, right? If x, then z. So I have an antecedent consequent commonality, which should say ding, 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 hypothetical syllogism. So we're going to do line 4 first, because that's the one with it as the consequent. If y, then if x, then z. If x, then z, then w, 4, 1, hypothetical syllogism. And once again, look, we've used lines 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that would have been a good hint as well. Oh, which one should we use? The ones we haven't used yet is always a good place to start. Okay, this is our last problem of the day. I feel so good. I hope after working these, checking them, and then perhaps watching some of these, you feel better about the whole process. We'll keep working together. Talk to y'all later. Bye.